Uh, I'm privy to one notification from the Transport Department. It's a press release which was released on the 11th of February 2021, which says relating to all that extended the validity of the documents like fitness permit, driving license, learner's license registration validity till the 31st of March 2021 to waive off, sir. So this waiver had not happened, sir. May I know why all these transport owners or vehicle owners have still to pay in spite of this government notification, sir?
Mr. Speaker, sir, actually the order is very clear. Till 30th September 2001 is very clear, no need to. But yes, I have received some complaint on this, so the matter is still under examination for this. Actually, it's we from the department, we didn't force anybody to pay dues, especially during this period, as I have stated.
This was considered by the government. I must thank the government for considering for what they considered as due to the pandemic. Due to the pandemic, all the transporters were not being able to get enough collection of their own whatever earnings that they would have had. Therefore, there was a waiver. Now, this waiver has not been carried out by the respective district transport officers. So this is a bit serious, sir. If they have violated or they have ignored an order of the government of not waiving such kind of taxes that have been agreed upon, sir. I request the Honourable Minister to kindly review and examine this matter.
Yes, Mr. Speaker.
My second question and the last one, sir. So there is now a new rate that has come up for the issuance of permit that has gone up to rupees 25,000, sir, annually, wherein it was 2,900 earlier. So is there any way that the state government will consider in bringing down this amount of 25,000, sir?
Mr. Speaker, sir, we'll examine the matter accordingly.